Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare VS Code versus Turbo C++. We will explore their core functionalities, performance, and overall suitability for modern programming tasks. Visual Studio Code, a popular choice today, offers extensive features and flexibility. Turbo C++, while historically significant, represents an older approach to development. By the end, you will have a clearer understanding of which tool aligns better with your specific needs and projects. Visual Studio Code stands out with its rich feature set, including intelligent code completion, integrated debugging, and robust Git integration. It supports a multitude of programming languages through its vast extension marketplace. In contrast, Turbo C++ provides a more basic environment, primarily focused on C and C++ within a DOS-like interface, lacking many modern development conveniences. This makes VS Code far more adaptable for contemporary software engineering. When considering performance, Visual Studio Code, built on the Electron framework, can be more resource-intensive, potentially using several hundred megabytes of RAM. However, it offers a highly responsive and feature-rich experience. Turbo C++, on the other hand, is incredibly lightweight, often requiring only a few megabytes of memory, making it ideal for older systems or very simple projects where speed of compilation is paramount. Its minimal footprint is a key advantage in specific scenarios. Usability and ecosystem are crucial. Visual Studio Code boasts a vibrant community and an enormous marketplace with thousands of extensions, allowing for extensive customization and workflow enhancement. It runs seamlessly across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Turbo C++ has a very limited, largely inactive ecosystem, and its interface is less intuitive for modern users. For contemporary development, the extensive support and cross-platform nature of VS Code offer significant advantages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.